Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and delete folder using command prompt. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So to create a folder using command prompt, first press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and then type CMD here and press OK to open command prompt. Now I want to create a new folder on desktop, so type CD space desktop then enter to go to the desktop. If you want to go back, then only type CD ... then enter. And if you want to change the selected drive, then type the drive letter example E : then press enter to go to that drive. So to create a new folder on desktop, simply type MD and then type new folder name which you want to create, then enter. Guys, if you want to delete this folder, simply press RD then type folder name to delete it. So guys, this is how we can create and delete folder using command prompt. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you want to see such more videos like this, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video and I'll see you on my next one.